Hi everyone. So from today, I will start my learning journey of uh, product management with AI. AI product management. We will start AI as a AI product manager. What is AI? Dekho, I have no idea. To be very, 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 very frank, that what is AI? How it is affecting everyone? But it is affecting. I know layoffs are happening just because of AI, and there are different aspects also, how the market is changing, how the tech is evolving around AI, how companies are building their own data centers or data hubs just because of AI. AI is a new boom, a new skill which everyone should learn, because I guess it is a very useful skill. So I'll not bore you more. I'll not eat up your time. So today, from today, so today being day one, I will start my journey. Why I'm starting my journey as a product manager, AI manager? Because currently I'm working as a product manager in one of the company which caters to SaaS, fintech, logistics domain. So everywhere we'll see what is the impact of AI and how we can incorporate or how we can learn AI as from scratch and as a layman. So, a little about me is, hi, my name is Ankit Vishwakarma. I run my YouTube channel as Beard Tech, and uh, I've been a gamer, uh, uh, corporate employee from almost 13 years. So I have completed my studying from Lucknow and my college from Sitapur, which was Institute of Engineering Technology, Sitapur. And then I came to Bangalore in search of job. Since 2013, sorry, 2012, I'm in Bangalore. I came in Feb 2012. Then, like after 2 months, I got my first job. The first job was in HR. I was a executive at that time. Oh, sorry, not even HR. I was in tech support. I started my career in tech support, which was for the Lenovo Tech ThinkPads, Lenovo support. So after that, I changed couple of companies, many companies. I've changed many companies. So first company was Aditya Birla Minax. I was working for a process called Lenovo, Lenovo ThinkPads, and the Yoga Book, and other hardwares. So we were just giving end customer support. Then I got in HR. I was working as a HR executive. I worked for 3 years. I have worked like in companies like Scope International, Standard Chartered, and then SocGen. I have worked in Infinite Computer Solutions, Bangalore. Then I thought it is the right time to switch. So I was earning at by that time I was earning okay, and at that time inflation was also not there, and it was not as costly as now it is. So then I uh, completed my software testing from JSpider QSpider. I got my first job as a tester, as a QA in Pole to Win, which is a gaming studio, and they have clients like Bandai Namco, Facebook was there, Farmville was there, and Zynga Poker, if you have heard about. So I have my accomplishment there because I am being a tech savvy. I love gadgets. I love gaming. I really love gaming. So I wanted to start my career, and the best what I got was from Pole to Win, where I worked as a QA game tester. I was testing games like Naruto, Tekken, and other games. So I worked for 1 year. Then I moved into web application testing. So there I worked. Another company I worked for 1 year. Then I went into another company which was almost there I stayed for almost 3 years, which was T Systems India Private Limited, Deutsche Telekom, and I was working as a AEM tester. I started in AEM testing. I did AEM testing, and then I got a chance to go to Germany for business. business visa where we went to learn cloud testing, IoT devices. So basically IoT devices. So I'll just give you a just like what were IoT devices, what we were testing. They were like small eight devices like for elder people where we can tap once and then you will get assistance like ambulance or cops like that. So we went there for 2 weeks around, and then I also worked for SAP project. So 3 years I worked for T Systems. Then I again switched as a QA lead in one of the startup. Uh, then I went to Zebia IT Architect as a QA lead, where I was testing one of the Saudi bank application, mobile application. So then I came back to Dream Orbit. Now Dream Orbit is acquired by Saxoft. So I'm working as a product manager, and now I have switched. I have transitioned from QA to product manager. So QA to product manager, the journey was like for 10 years I have been a QA. From last 3 years or 2 years, I am a product manager. I am working in one of the product, which is the internal product. So there are basically different projects and products which comes in. So why we build the product, what was the thought process, what was the vision, we will learn, we will talk about how AI is impacting everyone. So this was my journey. Currently I am a product manager and I want to transition from product manager to AI product manager, because that is a new skill. Upskilling yourself is always right. So in this series we will learn together. So trust me, I have zero clue how AI is working, and I want to learn how what is AI. Want to add more certifications in my resumes to upskill myself, and we will build different things from Claude, ChatGPT. We have hell lot of AIs, and so learning is the main part and main key of this series. And I'll stream regularly daily so that everyone understand and can relate like how I started, and how we can develop AI skills in and inculcate AI skills in our career. So let's start. So I will just start with what is AI. We will use this. So I'll also tell you a couple of things about ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. I have a plus version because it helps me a lot in my day-to-day activity. Also, I keep asking irrelevant questions as well, like my about my dogs, my pets, best telescope. I wanted to buy a telescope. So these things, those NAS I wanted to, because I really like gadgets and tech. So, and who was Ratan? Was Ratanji Tata? So there are a couple of chats. Let's forget it. So you get this like with the individual chat. You also get different projects also. You can build new project. You can explore other GPT's option. So GPT, we will go inside and we will create a new project, as we are taking this journey as a product manager from QA to product management to AI product manager. How you can transition, how we will transition together. So we will do QA to AI PM. Let's create that project. Once we have created that project, we can start exploring, and we will put all our chats here so we can create a detailed notes. We don't have to write anything, but still if you want to write, I keep my iPad handy. It's iPad 10 generation. So, and I have also a Apple Pencil. So let's start. So how we will start? Let's start a very basic, very small and very relatable questions like, how can we will do a smaller thing, QA to product manager. Tell me more about this transition. So As you can see in the screen, it has started giving you. Okay. The transition from QA product manager is actually more natural than most people think, especially in SaaS, HRMS, enterprise, and AI products. You already sit very closely. So this is talking about me. Uh, let's do this and change it to uh, don't take me as reference, and then so basically why it took me as a reference, because I was giving the prompt. So this was the prompt what we wrote to ChatGPT, the AI. It took all the data sets, LLM. So LLM is large language model, AI, artificial intelligence, of course. Then this was a bias answer. So AI is bias, can be bias as per the data what you are providing. So how AI work, what I know, I can be wrong, I can be totally wrong. I can be half wrong. Spare me for that. I'm really sorry. I'm just learning as you. I'm learning to transition from a normal person to a AI enabled or a AI skilled labor now. So okay. So we were talking about prompts. So when you enter a prompt, like give an example, give me a picture with a cat wearing a glasses. So if we do that, what will happen, it will break that sentence into different tokens. So those are the tokens. Then these tokens get a relationship between each other, create a image. So there is a create a image of a cat wearing a sunglasses. Now the only problem here is, I'll tell you. Okay, let's first do this. Don't take me as a reference, and and then give me the answer. We'll keep it simple. So it क्या क्या जवाब दिया, मजा आ गया. So that I'll just read it for you, or I can summarize it for you. The transition from a QA product manager is one of the most underrated career shifts in tech. A lot of people assume product managers only come from business schools or engineering leadership backgrounds. This is a myth. No, but many successful PMs actually come from a QA, because QA sits. QA is the backbone. How the product behaves, how what is the user flow, business logic, engineering execution, release quality. So in QA, you test the complete product. So more than a product manager, a QA has an idea how the application can break, and how what are the features which are coming, what is the functionality of a module, how it is working, what is the user flow, what is the business logic behind that. So this is like vast. If you go deep down, a QA has all the knowledge. So basically QA, I'll give you a very simple definition of a QA. QA is a person who breaks the application to make it better. Trust me, this is the best definition. Put it in your interview, you will get selected. Answer this. A QA is a person who breaks the application to make it better. Okay? So this is the actual meaning of a QA. And QA also knows and works very closely with with all the teams, right? So whether it be the development team, the product manager. Like when I was a QA, I used to sit with people like business analysts. In Shell, I'm talking about business analyst, the product managers, the engineering team, which is the dev team, the UI UX, the front end, back end, and everyone, right? So they have the complete interaction, they have all the knowledge, they have all the expertise which is required to test that product or application, whatever the person is testing. It can be a game. So to release the product in as best to the end customers. So now, So this is what he's saying, that a QA professional already spends time understanding how features work, which I already explained, why users may fail, where the workflow breaks, and then what is the edge cases, right? Like, I'll let me give you an example. I'll take example of very basic example of application which has a login screen. A login screen can fail if you enter randomly or monkey testing, whatever it is. And if you don't test the edge cases, like the boundary value analysis, whatever you do, or the out of box, which is the UI part of the testing, out of boundary. So in the testing, in the game testing, what we used to do is we used to test the level multiple times. So first we have to test with all the enemies, killing all the enemies, taking a proper fight with the enemies, and then checking the glitch, or if the game is not crashing, we used to get the reports from the PS itself or the console itself. Everyone knows about network console, and if you don't know, then if you hit the F12 button, if I do this, so this will give me a console, and you can go to the console, you can understand what are the errors, so you can go into the network, and if you hit something, it will give you the complete picture of what the API is calling. So we will learn all this parallelly. And I believe if you are coming from a QA background to product manager, and then product manager to AI enabled product manager, so I guess you know this. This is a very basic of everything, right? So this is how you check the console, how you get that errors. I have seen many people, many QAs with almost 10 years experience who don't know how to check the console. I'm really sorry if I'm hurting your emotions, but you should have learned this if you don't know. See, I also don't know many things as a QA, but these are the basic is what I am talking about. So yeah, so the core shift in transition from QA to PM ownership is testing, validation, defect prevention, quality assurance, release confidence. So this is the QA ownership. Testing, they do the testing, validate, they validate, defect, they stop the defects to go to the end customer, and they face issues later. Then we have this problem definition, prioritization, roadmap, decision from the PM, the product manager ownership. Problem definition, what is the problem the end customer is facing? How we can uh, overcome through that problem. Just a second, guys. So I'll just go and paste this because I want as many people as can learn. Share, copy link, and so yeah, so that is what we were talking about, the product manager journey. One second, guys. I'm really sorry about this. Alt and text. I'll just paste this and boom, done. So yeah, so how a QA checks or analyzes the web application or any product or any project, anything. A web application, it can be a game, it can be a device, hardware level. So testing, validation, defect prevention, quality assurance, and the release confidence. That is what. So a product, when it is releasing, we have multiple release in the product because of the requirement change. When a requirement change comes, the product manager give you the requirement. He checks with the stakeholder, gets the requirement from the stakeholder, and then come back to the brainstorming session, ideate things, check how feasible is to give you the product or that functionality or the module, and then he sits with the UI UX team if available. Now that is also on a toss after the AI. So AI is doing really good. So today I saw on Claude that you can actually build a complete wireframe. Wireframe, how is it? So basically in AI, your prompt engineering should be good. Now, the main drawback of AI is what I understood till now is uh, see, every time you have to give a proper prompt, right? If you are giving a wrong prompt, let's take an example of a wrong prompt. So this is business thinking. See, this is what we are learning, how we can transition from QA to product manager to AI product manager. So this is the roadmap, QA engineer, senior QA engineer, product owner, associate PM, product manager, senior PM. So this is, so what I have done is QA to senior QA to product manager. So I have jumped these ladders like QA engineer to senior QA, and then lead, the QA lead, and then the product manager. So currently I am a product manager, and these are also the roadmap which you can follow along. Business analyst, you can be a scrum or product owner, program management, or the project manager as well. So this is one of the so let's write a prompt. I'm not here that I'm going to teach you. Let's learn together. All right, this is the motive of the complete series what I have brought. So what in this series what we will learn is how to become a product AI enabled product manager. See, AI is now a huge topic. There are a couple of things which are already there, what people want to learn, and how to shift your career or transform your career from there to from product manager to AI product manager. So let's write a prompt. We will write the same prompt in two different languages. So basically, this is prompt engineering, is what I understand. What is AI? This is should be your basic question, the most basic question. So artificial intelligence is ability of machines or software to perform tasks. Can see this is too long. So what we can do is it's still writing and it's still making you understand. So can you shorten and make me understand in simple layman English? This is what prompt engineering is. So prompt should be good. So see, I guess this will be over. Yep. So it has summarized everything. Artificial intelligence means making computers or software smart enough to do tasks that usually needs human thinking. So basically what they'll do, they'll put the data sets, they will give you large language model, and everything is integrated. You hit a prompt, it will check the database, the data sets, take the token, probe the token, make a relationship between those tokens, and then give the result. So this is what basically is. So there are different types of AI, Gen AI, Agentic AI, and there are a couple of more which I also don't remember right now, but we will learn. We will learn together. Trust me, this will be the most productive streams for me. I have streamed a couple of different things as well, but this will be the best example what I can learn from. So what is the best about this stream is we will learn AI, we can implement AI, how AI works as for a QA or any profession it is. So this is basically what AI is about. ChatGPT, okay, AI, we have already discussed the human thinking. Simple example. Let's take example. ChatGPT answering questions, YouTube suggesting videos, Google Maps finding routes, phone face unlock, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These are all AIs. So everything is posted in this, and you return like we do. Let's understand it this way. Like we do is hey Siri. I guess okay. So my Siri has started. Sorry. So we say Siri, and then we say Siri. iPad also got started. We say Siri, play a song, whatever song you like, right? And then it goes and fetches the complete library of your phone, structure, check the relationship, everything, and it gives you the exact result, right? So, for example, if you show AI thousands of dog photos, it learns how a dog looks and can identify dogs in new photos later. In simple words, AI is teaching machines to learn, think, predict, and help humans like a smart assistant. So it will never see. I'll tell you one thing very, very, very clear, and mark my words, AI will never take your job. It is just making you will enable you to perform at 10x speed with all the stuffs available, so you don't have to do your research. So I'll tell you what I was facing earlier. Before uh, before using AI, before using ChatGPT, I was not using any tools. So I was just taking a previous example of a user story. So at that time I basically started as a new product manager. I got a role. I will thank him always, but there are situations which we'll not talk about. So we get all these things. Uh, it's life. So okay, so AI teaches machine to learn, think, predict, and help humans like smarter assistants. There are many types of AIs, but most commonly common today is chatbots like ChatGPT and others, recommendation systems, image recognition, automation tools. Simple, very simple. Okay, AI is now used in all these many industries: hospitals, banking, gaming, shopping apps, HR systems, customer support, cars. I'll tell you a basic example of HR system. So currently what we are developing is just like Zoho or MPEG Stack. Just giving you a small, very niche, a very small example. What what we are developing. So what I do as a product manager is I understand, I go to the stakeholders like business. So we have an internal tool, we have an internal product. Okay. So what we do is we go to the I go to the stakeholder, I understand or I ask what is your next requirement. I take that requirement, I jot down the points, and then I come, I ideate, I basically brainstorm myself. Like, okay, can we build it? Can we build it first? So then the thought process expands. Okay, what will be the effect on the back end? What will be the effect on UI? Where are the impact, and then I do the impact analysis. I go to the complete application, check where all it is impacting, where all we have introduced that functionality. So just giving you an example, HRMS, when a person is onboarded in the team, so earlier we used to enter everything manually. Now you take that sheet, if it is handwritten, you take a photo and give it to AI. It will segregate all the data and it will give it to you. So this thing is now getting done by the AI. So onboarding and everything is getting done automatically. This is how HR systems are using. So I also want to learn how I can incorporate that AI into the HRMS system or other domains, like how you can build an app. So I always wanted to build an app where if you give if you give the access to your domain like Gmail, like mail domain, if you give that system a domain, your mail domain like Gmail access, the iCloud, whatever you use every day, and if there is a document coming in from anywhere, right? If it is a you had a new baby, you'll get all the medical of your medical insurance, those cards, those bills and everything. So I wanted to segregate everything in a proper folder so that the next time you are visiting to the application, you don't have to search, like basically, yes, and you can understand or you can search it very quickly. Just like if I ask this one, give me this bill. AI does not have that with him right now. That data is not with the AI right now. I'll give the prompt. Give me the bill of my second son. I don't have a second son. That is the first thing. Second son who was born in Lucknow. So these all the details are fake. It does not exist at all. Let's see what it will give us. I don't have access. So basically, it gave me, I don't have access to your hospital bills because I have never uploaded. That data is never been shared to the AI. So that's why it's giving me this result. This result. upload it here, I can help you. So it is now asking me to upload so that he can have that data. And the next time you will ask, so if we do, okay, what is the name of my son? Let's see if I have given any time. See, I guess I have fed this detail into the AI somewhere. Like I was checking, I'll tell you why, what I was checking. I was checking the temperature, and he had fever, and then I just put that one. It gave me the exact result. So my son's name is actually Ihit. And so basically AI is the data what you give, it stores, and then it gives you the result accordingly. So that is one. AI is nothing but the artificial intelligence which actually plays around the data. That is what we learned right now. Now let's, okay, so these are the details what they use, or the tools like ChatGPT, Claude are examples of AI. So there are Gemini, there are other as well, where you have AI Nano Pro, Banana Pro, and other models, Sonnet, GPT-4, GPT-5. Right now, where we are in this one, thinking latest 5.1, instant thinking. These you can configure standard, extended. So you can give, oh my god, so many things. I have never checked all these things. Or you can also configure now your ChatGPT according to your requirement and your need, right? So this is example of what how prompt engineering works. So let's ask the roadmap how we can learn AI from a layman perspective. I am a layman. I am a layman and I want to learn AI. Let's. I'll just give this one. I'll add a prompt because keep it short and simple and easy to understand. Understand. Let's see. So it is in on the thinking model where it is thinking. Yes, start like this. AI in simple word. AI means a smart computer that can learn from data and help humans to do tasks faster, which we have already discussed. Example: ChatGPT answer questions, YouTube suggests video, Google Maps suggests routes, phone unlocks using Face ID, Amazon shows product recommendation. Learn AI in this order. Understand what is AI. AI is equal to machine learning and making smart decisions. Learn basic terms. Start with data. Data is equal to information, obviously, what that we already know. Model, brain of AI. What model you are using? So what brain you are putting in? A GPT-4, GPT-5, and Claude, Sonnet, and other. So training, teaching AI using data. So this is how it works. Data, you enter the data. So let's I have an example. Let's give you an example. I have I don't have a cat, okay? I'm just giving. I have a cat whose name is Billy. Okay. And then model. Model is like that is the information I gave. Billy is black in color. This is all the data which I'm providing to the AI. I want you to extend the thinking and give me the results. This is how I asked what model should use. Basically, the brain of AI. Training. Let's train. Teaching AI using data. How? Billy goes to poop at 4 a.m. This is basically the routine with the data and the training what I am giving. So train like this. Prompt. Now tell me. So this is the prompt. I'll ask. I'll ask a question. What is my Okay, this is what we will put. I have not asked anything. There is no question in this. I'm just asking to, it seems like the user wants to. Okay, now let's ask the question. What is my cat's name? We will argue also with AI. So this is the data what we provided and gave me the result after I gave the prompt. Fine. So now, okay, we will argue. We will say no, it is wrong. Okay. No, my cat name is not Billy. Let's see how it understands what he'll say. You okay? So it is again asking me a question. I should not assume that Billy is your cat's actual cat's name. You use Billy only as an example. It's still interpreting. No, no, I was joking. My cat name is Billy only. Okay, so this is how it is working, how we are giving the information to the AI, what all information we are giving, it's saving, it's getting saved, everything will get saved and it'll be there. How, okay, your cat's name and she is in black in color. Did I say black in color? Ah, okay. Billy is black in color. So he gave her information which I already given. This is prompt engineering. Now we will ask to generate a picture. My cat create uh, an image of Billy wearing sunglasses. See, we are just playing around with the AI right now. I want to understand how AI works, how AI thinks, and all those things. Excuse me. Now it is training and it is getting all the details. Now this prompt is broken into different tokens. Create an image of Billy wearing sunglasses. So create image of Billy. Billy is my cat, which I have already given the detail to the AI, and wearing sunglasses. I have not told the make name. So this is what extensive things you give to the AI, you will get all those things. So it will collect the data sets, it will go deep inside. If you say, my God, see what an image. Wow, appreciate it. Wearing a sunglasses. This is your Billy. I never told where should be the sunglasses. So this was actually a relationship between each other. Like, okay, a sunglass is wore on the face and that's why it has put it on the face. See, this is how AI is working. So, okay, now next is tell me, give me a roadmap. Let's start learning AI. Treat today as the first day of learning. Fine. So this is what it is. Stream interrupted. Okay. We will stop it and then it will think and it will give you the result. Let's see what it gives. Right? So this is how we are extending. Oh, why? I don't know. Send. Let's see. Thinking. Let's start learning AI. Treat today as the first day of learning. I want instant results here. Come on. I don't know why it is showing streaming interrupted. If you have any knowledge about this, waiting for complete message, can you tell me why it is showing me like this? I never faced this issue. So these are the two different models which we are using today, Claude and ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Okay, so this is welcome to day one. Empathy. Create an image of glowing blue sun with red panda chewing bamboo on the yellow Taj Mahal. Create an image. Oh, good prompt. Good prompt. We will search this for sure. Noted. Joy mark. Noted. We will do this. Just we will go through what we are trying to achieve in this. So what AI is a smart software that learns from data and helps human to do tasks. A real life example is ChatGPT answer questions, YouTube recommends videos. So we have example, you gave input. So see, this is what I was giving you the example. You gave information, this cat is black. AI find patterns. Example, black fur plus cat shape plus is equal to black cat. Output, AI gives prediction on answer. Example, this is probably a black cat. This is what it understood. The AI understands. Sorry. Important words for today. Data, information given to AI. Example, photo, text, videos, numbers. It can process everything. Everything, anything and everything. Trust me. Trending, teaching AI using data, like teaching a child using example. Did you get my point? Or did you get this point? Okay, so this was completely new. Model, the brain of AI, the thing that learns patterns. Prompt, instruction given to AI, which I already write an email, create an image, explain AI simply. So this is what we did. Let's start learning AI today. So this was the prompt which I gave, and then I gave the prompt create an image of Billy wearing sunglasses. So it gave me how it might look according to the prompt. If I'll say, no, 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 this is not how Billy looks. So that is a feedback mechanism where you are telling that, okay, you have given, I'm a product manager, Joy. I'm a product manager right now. I'm working as a product manager, but I'm not a AI enabled product manager. So my journey is also starting from here with you. If you know, then please do drop your comments how we can learn together. We can open a forum, then we can actually build a product like where everyone, all the product managers can collaborate or all the QAs can collaborate. We can also do that using Claude. Claude is genius right now. It's eating everyone's job. It is amazing. Oh, so you learn MLDL, ML machine learning, data language. Can you please expand? I'm really sorry. I don't know all these corporate terms or the tech savvy terms. I am just starting. Machine learning, yes, I am aware about. And DL is data learning, if I'm not wrong. So okay, so let's get back to this homework. Okay, deep learning, machine learning and deep learning. Oh, okay. Deep learning is like extensive deep learning. You learn from data going deep inside. Okay, so example, correct me if I'm wrong. So sunglasses was example. If deep, if I could have gone deep, it will be sunglasses, brand of make of some sunglasses, the shape of sunglasses, the color of sunglasses. If it is a frameless glass, not frameless glass, and all these things. This is deep learning, right? Deep learning about a specific thing in detail. Correct me if I'm wrong. So AI is software trained on data that can learn patterns and help humans make decision or do tasks faster. So right now, what I do in my day-to-day life is I take a requirement from the business as a product manager. I'll tell you my plight, what I'm facing right now. So I take requirement from the business. It can be sales or whatever we have implemented, sales and everything. So I get a requirement about the dashboard, what we are using right now. Okay, so this dashboard, the project end date is past, but we still have resources under that project which have a future end date. So this is the requirement. I am just giving you an example. Just an example. So I come back, I ideate, and I then give this to ChatGPT. Now it will take all the data sets, put everything in picture in place, and will give me the best possible and the best solution I can do. It will help me to ideate. Now, if my idea is matching to what the ChatGPT or any of the AI has given, then I will say, yeah, okay, this is what I want to ideate, and then I will go to the UI UX team or the design team, or I'll create a very high level user story, right? I'll write the high level user story. I'll make this user story for the UI UX designer. I'll assign them that user story. They will come with the ideation. We will sit together. We will have a call, and then we will understand. Then we will understand how we can ideate it. Basically, this is what we currently do, and then we take user feedback, which is the customer feedback or the stakeholder, the business stakeholder feedbacks, VP, BU head, DU heads, and other whatever whomsoever we are catering to. So we are catering to a crowd of almost 3,000 to 4,000 people right now. So we have built a HRMS system for which is in-house product. So that is inside product, and I take the requirement, I ideate, I write the user story. How I write the user stories, I take help of ChatGPT, and then it gives me the user story if I want to agree with the. So business, sales, marketing. Yeah, yeah, I know these. See, these technical terms I know. Yes, business stakeholder management, writing the PRD. I know the software development part, sir, but software development. See, from the QA perspective, I know software development, not from an engineering perspective, not as a software developer's perspective. I have not written a code, never written a code. I never wanted to write a code. To be very honest, I was a lazy guy, and I wanted to see. I had that habit of going inside a product or anything, whether it is sorry, a remote, check what is inside. Curious kid, you can say. Curiosity, my curiosity is at another level, right? So I was doing that. QA for 10 years. Then I now I am a product manager. Now I want to enable myself as as a AI product manager. How we can, okay, so what my idea is, what we can learn from this session together. You are in turn in a company as a AI ML engineer. Nice. Glad to know. Please refer me if you have any open positions. I said, this is what I wanted to make. I wanted to make a community where people can come, a forum where people can post their thought, help each other to learn AI. The deepest. So, right now, if you go and search a reel, right? If you land on a reel which is AI, you watch it for a couple of seconds, then that pattern is recorded to Instagram. I don't know what is the process behind. I really don't have any idea. So this is the algo what we get. I guess that is all algorithm. What the user is staying, what is the duration, what is the age group and everything, and then the next reels, whatever it is related to that, right? So I was going through. People are now what they're doing, which I really don't like, that if they know AI, or if they have a little bit of understanding, like people now create, you can earn these many views, 10 million views by just posting or creating a AI AI video, AI generated video from Nano or different AI agents are there, PixArt, and there are 11 Lab, right? There are different this one. So ChatGPT I use for thumbnail creation. Now that level is also changed. The thumbnail what you get from ChatGPT or Gemini is at another level. It's really at another level. Trust me. So this is what AI is all about, and we need to learn. So I wanted to create this forum to understand, to help others. Now on that reel, they will ask follow and comment for that link. Which what we do, we never go back or see. We save it, we share it, done. That that learning is stopped then and there. We never go back. We never go back and check our notes. So best part is we will learn everything from these charts. We will create a good amount of document, We will create links as a separate one. We will create projects separate one. We can create a model, our own model. That is what my thing is. We can create our own application, which can cater to many people. Actually, it can get cater to many people. I have an idea. We will build it together. Not today, not today, because today will be the first day. I want to start it on a good note, sharing what I do. No, it's all shit because thumbnail, script writing, coding are for people who are like 2, 3 plus years experience, not for the beginner who can use Claude GPT for building it. No, it's all shit because thumbnail, script writing, coding, etc. are for people who like. Okay, so I'm not sure what you are trying to say. I'll tell you in a simple thing. AI is shifting. My idea, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Very frank. I'll not ask you to subscribe. I'll not ask you anything to do in my favor. Just a thumb, a like to the to this stream will be very helpful. That's it. If you want to support, your wish. I will never ask these things. I just want to learn, and we will learn together. That's it. So, should I tell you about my idea, or should we continue this one? So, okay. So my idea, what my idea was, uh, I I was blessed with a baby boy 2 years back in 2024, and we use multiple mails, right? Like multiple mails, Gmail 3 4 IDs, iCloud, then our office. So now you have these documents coming in, like your medical document, medical insurance or medical certificate. What do we call it as? Our card, medical card, reimbursement card. So I have put it somewhere in the mail. Now, at that time, I'm searching it. I'm not able to find it. It's frustrating because they are asking for the reimbursement. Now, I want to reimburse my firms funds, and also I'm in middle of everything. So, being a guy, I was doing it, and I wanted a document to be segregated and collected in a proper place in a proper folder hierarchy and everything. Now, my idea is if you are using only one Gmail, just giving you an example that one Gmail, right? One Gmail, you get all your mails flowing in, or if you use different, but you put everything in your that Gmail. Now that Gmail is pointed to Claude, right? Or your AI, whatever it is. मेरे को नहीं पता. I don't know क्या बोलना चाह मतलब क्या है क्या कर रहे हैं. Now I want all the documents, like giving example, resume. I have multiple resumes, right? I have created a resume in 2010. That will be a different, all the structure will be different. Then I have a document from, I'll give you a real example. From our company, your hike letter, your experience letter. You want to keep it separate. So I want that model, that AI to keep everything there, and I want an application, not a model like you go, you put it in the chat GPT, you are exposing everything. You can create your own model which caters to you only. You get the APIs intact in your application, and then create a directory, right? Like uh, resume, right? A folder, and then in all that a proper naming convention, create a timestamp when you have created this, and it should come from top, recent top, and following that one. So this was my idea, where you can find your bills, whatever bills, if you are reimbursing anything, if you want to claim. iCloud, yes. And then key in and everything and structure, it'll give you the structure. I will definitely make that, and I'll see how we can make that. So that is how our product manager thought process, at least my thought process, is to solve the end customer problem, and how we can create a better product which you can cater to different people as well. You can create your own business. You can give chatbots to people. So I was also trying to create a a form Google Sheet. What you'll do is you will send that Google Sheet to the client. It was for a pet boarding. So you give that sheet to the client, ask the mandatory questions, that you map that the Google Sheet in, integrate that Google Sheet in Make. Make is free and it'll give you a couple of credits, a good amount of credit, so you can play around. And then you ask. So there are now keys which you have to fill in, right? So these keys are like, uh, the form is completely filled or not, what is the age of the pet, what are the diet and everything. So the person who is catering to the end customer, right, he'll get all the vital information and it will tell you that okay, you got a booking. If you want to accept, you can accept. If you want to reject, you reject it. Simple. Simple. This was my business thought process. I wanted to do this and I really want to do this. I will do this. See, I'll tell you, as a streamer, I am been a streamer from a long time. I started YouTube from 2010. If I was in this YouTube streaming, whatever it was, content, at that time it did not matter at all. Trust me, it never mattered. So I used to post everything, anything and everything. So gadgets, how to do this, how to fix other things, streaming, game streaming, Counter Strike. So I'm a huge fan of Counter Strike. I play Counter Strike. I still stream Counter Strike. So, yes, idea. You understood what I basically want to do. So yeah, absolutely correct. But there is a different, a little more of thought process. See, again, we need to ideate. We need to sit and ideate. We need to go through couple of, with that it's date, email, subject, its body, etc. With its document. Yeah, you can. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes. So we can sit, we can create, we will create it. For that, even if I want to take the Claude subscription, we'll take that. And and we will learn this. Trust me, we will learn this together. I want everyone to learn AI as soon as possible. आप हमारे साथ सीखेंगे, हम आपके साथ सीखेंगे. मैं कहीं पे गलत हूँगा, आप प्लीज़ मेरे को फीडबैक दो. हम सब साथ में सीखेंगे. जिसको भी जितने लिंक पता है, आप मेरे को बताओ. हम एक फोरम बनाएंगे, हम उसका भी एक फोरम बनाएंगे, उसका एक अलग वो एप्लीकेशन बनाएंगे, वेयर यू कैन गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स एंड एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. जहाँ पे जहाँ तक हम फ्री जा सकते हैं, इन डेप्थ जा सकते हैं, हम जाएंगे. Correct. This is what is the thought process about this chat, about this stream, and we will do that. Yes, yes. It's easy, but see again, we cannot say कि अभी मैं बैठूंगा और अभी मैं बना दूंगा. This is what I don't want to do. I don't want to be in hurry. I want to learn it properly. So recently I have taken this course from IBM Coursera, IBM AI Product Manager. Let me open it and I'll show it to you. So this is the course which I am learning right now. Okay, so my learning, we will go to my learning and we can see. So this is the product manager course. So I have completed a little bit of this one. I took this course on, I guess, yeah, day before yesterday, and I have completed almost one module, and there are a couple of more modules remaining. So course 6 of 10, 7 of 10, 8 of 10. So one to an introduction, this one. So before this we had what is about the course and everything. So this course is actually globally recognized because it is created from by IBM people. I guess they have skill up their learning LMS team. So there are a couple of people who are working in the industry from last 20 years as a product manager, and they have vast knowledge, vast knowledge. I'm nowhere closer to them. Trust me, I'm nowhere closer to them. How I have reached the ladder is first to learn QA. I learned QA. I started as a QA. Did for 10 years rigorously. We did this. We use different tools, different application, different. One second, sorry. And then I got an opportunity as a product manager, so I started my career as a product manager, started writing the user stories, PRDs, the ideation, thought process, UI UX design. You guys see, I can still not do wireframing. What I can do is I can tell what I want. I'll give a little bit of reference pictures and it will give me the result. If I like the result, I'll keep it, or else I'll make another iteration in that. Right. So this was the thought process. So this is the course which, if you are a product manager or you want to become a product manager, this is a course. So this is IBM AI Product Manager course on Coursera. Uh, Coursera. Sorry for the mispronunciation, guys. So this is IBM certificate, IBM AI Product Manager Professional Certificate, and 81,200 people have already enrolled. I have taken this course for 3 months, 3 months to complete this course. You can also take for a longer period, but that cost is high. I have paid almost around 4,000 rupees for this course for a better thing, Coursera Plus, included with Coursera Plus. So we will learn this. If you want these details, we can also stream this if we want to learn it together. See, the best part and the good part about this is we will have all these details with us. I will give you a detailed document. So I have created a couple of things on my iPad. I use Notability where I have written everything. If you can see closely, I have written what I was learning. What is a Ankit is a product manager. This is the product and everything. So this is the notes which I have taken. I will paste these as well. I will put it to GPT and we will get all the details. So let's learn together. That is the main objective of this stream. And we will learn together. Trust me, we will be better and we will get out of this phase. I know layoffs are very hard and everyone is, I guess, is scared. If you're not scared, then please get scared, and this is the right time to learn AI, I guess, because AI will be the next big thing. Trust me, it is already a next big thing. It will be more bigger. Trust me on this one. So this is the course which you can enroll in. Is the see there is a AI as well. Is this right for me? They have introduced AI in this Coursera also. See, this IBM specialization could be great fit if you are looking for a career in technology, specifically combining product management with AI. Wow. On the consideration, while it's being next time you can, to give you the best advice, could you tell me your current role and what career goals you are hoping to achieve? See, everywhere there is AI. There is a AI and everywhere there will be an AI. So be scared. Let's start learning. Let's create a forum where everyone, each of you, we will learn together. So I guess today's session was just to introduce myself. From tomorrow we will stick to the plan and we will learn. Like, if you want me to stream this course, I can stream this course. I'm okay to stream this course. I can share the audio of this course. I can do everything. This is my course. I will share it with you. We can learn it together. I will create a proper detailed documents of this one and then we can share it along. So we will make couple of chatbots as well for business, like Ababar. You want to book an appointment, you want to see if they have slots or not. We will ideate. You will help me ideate what is your thought process. So let's do this. Let's create an image of this person given by Joy Mac, and that will be the last prompt for tonight, just for fun. So we will not go inside this. Okay, let's do it here, and then we will, from tomorrow we will create a different chat and then we will do it. So this is the prompt given by Joy sir, and let's see what is the result. How uh, what ChatGPT can do. Okay, let's do this also. I have a Gemini Pro as well. So Gemini Pro, we will go to Gemini and we will ask the same thing. Let's put it getting started. I don't want to give this. Scroll to choose. Don't connect right now. I don't want to connect it. Let's do the same thing there. Let's see which gives the better result. Best. So okay, so it's, see, this is basically a mistake. If I see, create an image of glowing blue sun, which is correct, with red panda chewing on a yellow Taj Mahal. On so if I predict, I can say on can be placed over here. According to me, it is a person. Let's see. ये भी अच्छा है यार, topic बढ़िया है. See, this is what I was thinking. Will create. See, there are two different aspects. On, it is on, right? Basically, this is on. This was not on. This is next to the Taj Mahal. I will defy him. Defy the GPT. This is not on. This is beside the Taj Mahal. No empathy, nothing. Just started work. Let's do Claude. Claude को क्यों छोड़ना है? नो, अरे मेरे को क्रिएट करनी है भाई न्यू चैट. देखें क्लॉड कितनी औकात रखता है सेम चीज़ करने के लिए. सो दिस इज परफेक्ट पिक्चर, परफेक्ट, good, but I'll tell you what is the issue. Now this is not the Taj Mahal. This is the tomb of the Taj Mahal, which they have referred to this one. On Taj Mahal, उसके ऊपर बैठाना था. मैं होता तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठा था, यहाँ पे कहीं बैठा था. इसको आप ऐसे करके सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. इसको प्लेस इट हेयर एंड देन, अरे यार सॉरी, इसको आप ऐसे सेलेक्ट करो. इसको बोले यहाँ पे बैठा. डन. Do it. Remove the extra tomb. Tomb भी होता है ना? Tomb भी है ना ये? हाँ, okay. Placing the Taj Mahal, inviting a red panda to lunch. कुछ भी कर रहा है यार AI. माँ कसम. देखें हमारे भैया ने, ये देखो. कुछ भी, ये नहीं है. This is wrong. This is actually wrong. I didn't wanted to do this. Keep upgrading. Very good. भैया पैसा दे दो कोई इसका. ये तो हमको एक ही बार बताएगा ऐसा करने के लिए. और यार हम एक काम करते हैं ना, इसका क्लॉड का हम डेस्कटॉप अपने पीसी में डाल लेते हैं. दैट इज़ मोर बेटर. सो इट विल टेक द डेटा कम्प्लीटली. यू कैन इंटीग्रेट योर डेटा सेट्स, योर फोल्डर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. बनाएंगे यार, बनाएंगे, बढ़िया बनाएंगे. कुछ तो बनाएंगे, कुछ तो बनाएंगे और सबको कैटर करेंगे. सबको मज़ा ही आ जाएगी. देखो, ये देखो, कर दिया ना सही. यहाँ पे बैठाना था. दिस इज द परफेक्ट इमेज. ऐसा ही चाहिए था हमको भैया. बिल्कुल करेक्ट. वो मैंने जोड़ सो कर दिया. सी, नीट एंड क्लीन. अपने को यही चाहिए था, उसके ऊपर बैठा दिया. एक्स्ट्रा टूम रिमूव हो गया है. डन. तो आज के लिए लेट्स एंड द स्ट्रीम हेयर. कल प्लीज़ वी विल गेट बैक. वी विल लर्न. IBM वाले स्टार्ट करेंगे. लर्निंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. रोड मैप देखेंगे हम कहाँ हैं, कहाँ नहीं हैं. वी विल कीप दिस टारगेट एज 90 days what you can learn as a AI product manager. Let's go. Thanks for watching the stream and thank you so much for supporting and for all the views. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Wow.